How to add motion blur in Davinci Resolve. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. It's super easy, so let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. I want to add motion blur to this video. We already have some motion blur, but we're gonna add more. So what you have to do is to go to Fusion. Here you need to press on shift and space, and you're gonna
have this tool box, and here please write. First we need to add here optical flow and
add, and now shift and space and vector motion blur and add. Okay, and now we have even more vector, and we can scale. As you can see, the should be from here and red, but a bit green. So from here you can, from the control panel here, you can scale, increase or decrease the motion blur, and as you can see, it's even better right now. You can't even see only if I go frame by frame, but we have even more motion blur right now. So I think this could be better. Okay, why not this? Why not? So that's a very simple way, guys, to add much motion blur in Davinci Resolve. Don't forget to play here with the settings and just change the way you like it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and like this video if I helped you with this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.